Good morning, one and all present here. Today I'm going to talk to you about preening. Birds like duck, swan, etc. have a special type of skill which is known as preening. Now, what is preening? Yes, preening is a maintenance behavior which is found in birds. The main function of preening is to waterproof its feathers. This is something the birds do to clean their feathers with the help of their beak. At the base of their feathers, they have a small gland which produces oil. They slowly take the oil and carefully apply it to all of their feathers. While doing this preening, they remove all the dust and dirt from their feathers. You know, the preening behavior is almost like a raincoat because our raincoat protects us from rain and keep us dry. The same way for the preening birds, it keeps them dry in water. Now let me show you one small experiment. I have got two feathers over here with me. So now I am going to pour water on both of them and check which has the preening ability. By seeing this, I can understand that this feather absorbs water. Now let me check with the other one. By seeing this, I can understand that this has the preening ability because the water is keep on slipping. Thank you.